the International Navistar 7.3 Power Stroke. They're not all the same. How well do you know the differences? Starting with the engine bay, this is 94.5 to 95. Notice the radiator hose, 95 to 97. Radiator hose changes, 99 to 03. The most different. Rods, you have forged or you have powdered metal. OBS up to 2001. 2000, the whole year, part of 2001, you got forged rods. After that, it's a crapshoot. Mostly powdered metal, some forged sprinkled in there as they ran out of supplies. There you can see the difference. The injectors found under the hood. AA, AB, AC, AD, AE. AC being the best, but never offered in a Power Stroke because Ford hates us. There's basically two different H-pops. The 15-degree H-pop. There's two H-pops. The OBSs and early 99s come with the 15 degree. 99 to 03 come with the 17 degree. More oil volume to fire the split shot injector. Two different turbos. Well, three kinda, because E99's an odd duck. Transmissions. The OBSs, you get a ZF5 S42 from 94 to 96. That's your 5-speed manual. And 97, you could get the S47 ZF5. That's stronger than the S42. The manuals for the Super Duties was the ZF6 S650. Automatics for the OBSs was your E4OD. And then the automatics for the Super Duties was your 4R100, which is still basically an E4OD with just some small updates. Other notable changes, the radiator hose and water pumps changed. Super Duties saw the intercooler. Bolt patterns was changed from 8x6.5 to 8x170. The alternator and AC compressor switched sides and got updated, so you got new accessory brackets, new belt. The power steering pump got the second port so that you could power your Hydro Boost brakes. The under valve cover harnesses were changed. The axles for an early 99, the odd duck of the 7.3s. They are garbage. They are hard to find parts for them. It's cool that it was only around 1 year, but there's no aftermarket support. So if I were you, if you had an E99, I would just switch to not shitty axles. Cool thing about E99 though is that badge that normally says Triton V8 is actually for the Power Strokes. Only had one glow plug relay. There wasn't the two. There's no air intake heater on that intake manifold. The intake manifolds are only 2-inch instead of the 3-inch found on later Super Duties. There's no cruise control light on the cluster, although I think it's there. If you update the something, it'll turn on, but it just doesn't turn on from the factory. The automatics, for some reason, didn't integrate the transmission cooler into the radiator. I said the axles were garbage. The interior colorways are out there. A cool year of pickup, but not all of it was better, if that makes sense.